Lecture on Chemical Reactions and Equations, Part 2 for Class 10 by ACE. Types of chemical reactions: combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions, exothermic and endothermic reactions. Combination reactions: the reactions in which two or more elements or compounds combine together to form a single compound are called combination reactions. Example: calcium oxide reacts with water to produce calcium hydroxide, which is known as slaked lime, releasing large amount of heat. Another example: burning of coal, carbon reacting with oxygen gives carbon dioxide along with lot of heat. Sulfur dioxide and oxygen combine to form sulfur trioxide, means SO2 combined with O2 gives SO3, which is known as sulfur trioxide. Sodium and chlorine combine to form sodium chloride, Na plus Cl2 give NaCl. Iron and sulfur together on heating form iron sulfide, Fe plus S give FeS, that is iron sulfide. Combination of nitric oxide and oxygen gives nitrogen dioxide, NO plus O2 give NO2. Hydrogen and oxygen in presence of electric spark give water, H2 plus O2 give H2O. Reaction between ammonia and hydrogen chloride gives white fumes of ammonium chloride. Ammonia, that is NH3 plus HCl in form of gas, give white fumes of NH4Cl, which is ammonium chloride. Decomposition reactions: in this type of reactions, single compound breaks into more than one compound. Decomposition reaction takes place when the energy in the form of heat, electricity or light is provided to the reactants. Types of decomposition reactions: thermal decomposition, the reaction in which heat energy is given to the reacting compound and it breaks into two or more simpler substances, is called thermal decomposition reaction. Example: calcium carbonate CaCO3, which is limestone, on heating converts into CaO, that is quicklime, and carbon dioxide gas is released. Electrolytic decomposition, the reaction in which electric energy is used to break down a compound into two or more compounds, is called electrolytic decomposition. Example: acidic water on electrolysis gives oxygen and hydrogen. So here is the reaction: H2O gives hydrogen ion and oxygen ion. At anode, oxygen ion loses electron. At cathode, hydrogen ion accepts electron. So oxygen gas is released at anode and hydrogen gas is released at cathode. Photodecomposition, the reaction in which light energy is used to break down a substance into more than one compound. H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide, in presence of sunlight gives hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. AgCl, silver chloride, which is white in color, in presence of sunlight changes into silver, which is grey in color, with the release of chlorine gas. Similarly, silver bromide AgBr, which is yellow in color, in presence of sunlight gives Ag, that is silver, and its color is grey, along with the release of bromine gas. These reactions are used in black and white photography. Another example: hydrogen iodide Hi in presence of ultraviolet light gives hydrogen gas and iodine gas. The color of iodine gas is purple. Decomposition reactions are endothermic reactions. FeSO4 7H2O, this is ferrous sulfate crystal or hydrous ferrous sulfate. on heating gives FeSO4 plus 7H2O. FeSO4 so produced is anhydrous ferrous sulfate. Color of hydrous or hydrated ferrous sulfate is green, while the color of anhydrous ferrous sulfate is white. Ferrous sulfate on heating gives Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. The color of ferric oxide is dark brown. Another example of endothermic decomposition reaction: PbNO3 twice lead nitrate on heating gives PbO, lead oxide plus nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Nitrogen dioxide so produced is having pungent smell and it has brownish fumes. Another reaction of decomposition: ZnCO3, that is zinc carbonate on heating gives zinc oxide plus carbon dioxide gas. One more example, KClO3, which is known as potassium chlorate, on it gives KCl, potassium chloride plus oxygen. Electrolytic decomposition of molten aluminum oxide known as alumina gives aluminum and oxygen. Molten Al2O3 on electrolysis gives aluminum and oxygen. Aluminum is deposited at cathode and oxygen is released at anode. Digestion of food in the body is also decomposition reaction. The carbohydrates, fats, proteins, etc. decompose into simpler substances, which on further reaction gives a large amount of energy. Displacement reaction. A displacement reaction is a type of oxidation reduction chemical reaction. When one element is replaced by another element in a compound, the reaction is called the displacement reaction. Normally, a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from the latest compound. Example: the addition of powder zinc to solution of copper 2 sulfate displaces copper metal. Copper sulfate CuSO4 in aqueous form is blue in color. When reacts with zinc, gives zinc sulfate and copper. Zinc sulfate is of white color. Here in the reaction, zinc is displacing copper from copper sulfate. Another example, copper sulfate CuSO4 reacting with Fe give FeSO4 plus copper and heat is produced. The copper sulfate is blue in color, while iron sulfate, which is in this case ferrous sulfate, is green in color. So in the reaction, iron is displacing copper from copper sulfate. Displacement of copper from copper chloride solution by lead. This is another example. CuCl2 in aqueous form, that is cupric chloride, reacting with lead Pb gives PbCl2, which is lead chloride and copper. So in the reaction, lead is displacing copper from cupric chloride. More of displacement reactions. Displacement of bromine from potassium bromide by chlorine. KBr, which is potassium bromide, reacting with chlorine gives KCl, which is potassium chloride plus bromine and heat. Potassium bromide is colorless, while bromine is reddish brown in color. Another reaction, zinc displaces hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid. Zinc Zn plus dilute hydrochloric acid HCl give ZnCl2 zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas and heat. Another reaction, zinc displaces hydrogen from dilute sulfuric acid. Zn plus dilute sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, give zinc sulfate ZnSO4 plus hydrogen gas and heat. One more reaction, displacement of copper from copper sulfate solution by magnesium. CuSO4, copper sulfate reacting with magnesium gives magnesium sulfate MgSO4 plus copper plus heat. In the reaction, magnesium is displacing copper. Same way, there is another reaction, displacement of lead from lead nitrate by iron. Lead nitrate PbNO3 reacting with Fe gives FeNO3 twice. This is ferrous nitrate plus lead Pb plus heat. So in the reaction, iron is displacing lead from lead nitrate. Displacement of copper from cupric chloride by lead. Cupric chloride CuCl2 reacting with Pb lead give PbCl2 lead chloride plus copper plus heat. All displacement reactions are exothermic reactions. The displacement reactions are used in the extraction of silver and gold, so displacement is applied in metallurgy. Something good to know, solution of slaked lime is used for whitewashing. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with carbon dioxide present in air. As a result, a thin layer of calcium carbonate will be deposited on the wall. Calcium carbonate gives a shiny finish to the wall. Reaction, CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide reacting with carbon dioxide gives CaCO3, which is calcium carbonate plus water. The chemical formula of marble is also CaCO3. Double displacement reaction is defined as the reaction in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds. A double displacement reaction usually occurs in solutions. AB plus CD give AD plus CB. Here B and D ions are exchanged. Example of double displacement reaction, reaction between silver nitrate solution and sodium chloride solution. AgNO3 silver nitrate plus AgCl sodium chloride on reacting give AgCl silver chloride plus NaNO3 sodium nitrate. So here nitrate and chloride ions are exchanged. Another example, sodium sulfate Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 barium chloride on reacting gives barium sulfate BaSO4 plus NaCl sodium chloride. BaSO4 is produced in form of white precipitate. So again, if you see, sulfate and chloride ions are exchanged. Reaction between barium chloride and sulfuric acid is another example of double displacement reaction. BaCl2 barium chloride plus dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4 give barium sulfate BaSO4 plus HCl. More of double displacement reactions. Reaction between FeS and H2SO4. FeS ferrous sulfide plus dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4 on reacting give FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfide plus H2S hydrogen sulfide. Another reaction between CuSO4 and NH4OH. CuSO4 aqueous, this is copper sulfate plus NH4OH ammonium hydroxide on reacting give CuOH twice cupric hydroxide plus ammonium sulfate NH4 twice SO4. The color of cupric hydroxide is bluish green. Another double displacement reaction between AlCl3 and NH4OH. AlCl3 ammonium chloride on reacting with NH4OH ammonium hydroxide give AlOH thrice aluminum hydroxide and ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Aluminum hydroxide so produced is of white color. More reaction of double displacement. PbNO3 twice, this is lead nitrate reacting with Ki potassium iodide give PbI2 lead iodide, this is plumbous iodide which is of yellow color, and another compound which you get is KNO3, that is potassium nitrate. One more reaction of double displacement, BaCl2 aqueous, this is barium chloride, reacting with Na2SO4 sodium sulfate gives BaSO4 barium sulfate plus NaCl sodium chloride. The barium sulfate so produced is of white color. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization occurs when an acid reacts with a base quantitatively to produce salt and water. Example, reaction between hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. HCl, hydrochloric acid, reacting with sodium hydroxide NaOH give NaCl sodium chloride plus water. NaCl here is salt. Another reaction between sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide. H2SO4 sulfuric acid reacting with NaOH sodium hydroxide give sodium sulfate as salt plus water. Reaction between acetic acid and sodium hydroxide. Acetic acid CH3COOH reacting with sodium hydroxide NaOH gives sodium acetate, that is CH3COONA plus water. Reaction between oxalic acid and sodium hydroxide. Oxalic acid COOH twice reacting with NaOH give sodium oxalate COONA twice plus water. Reaction between magnesium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice, which is known as milk of magnesia, on reacting with HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, gives magnesium chloride MgCl2 plus water. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reductions are based on the addition and removal of oxygen and hydrogen, as well as in terms of loss or gain of electrons. Oxidation is a reaction in which addition of oxygen to a substance or removal of hydrogen from a substance takes place. The reaction between magnesium metal and oxygen to form magnesium oxide involve the oxidation of magnesium. Mg plus O2 give MgO, that is magnesium oxide. So in this case magnesium is oxidized as there is addition of oxygen to magnesium. Reduction, a reaction in which a substance gain hydrogen or lose oxygen is called reduction reaction. When hydrogen gas is passed over heated cupric oxide CuO, CuO gets reduced to copper. CuO cupric oxide plus H2 hydrogen give Cu copper metal plus water. So in this reaction there is a removal of oxygen from CuO. So this is the reduction of CuO to Cu. The substance which either gives oxygen or remove hydrogen is known as oxidizing agent, and which either gives hydrogen or removes oxygen is called or known as reducing agent. Burning of carbon in presence of oxygen form carbon dioxide is an oxidation reaction. C plus O2 gives CO2. So in the reaction oxygen is added to carbon, so this is the oxidation of carbon. Burning of phosphorus in presence of oxygen form phosphorus pentoxide is an oxidation reaction. Here phosphorus reacts with oxygen gives phosphorus pentoxide. In the reaction oxygen is added to phosphorus, so this is the oxidation of phosphorus to phosphorus pentoxide. When hydrochloric acid is heated with manganese dioxide, hydrogen is removed from chlorine. So this is the oxidation of chlorine. Reaction is MnO2 manganese dioxide plus HCl give MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. So here hydrogen is removed from HCl, so chlorine is oxidized from HCl to chlorine gas. Oxidation and reduction in terms of loss or gain of electrons. Oxidation is the loss of electron by a molecule or atom or anion. Reduction. Reduction is the gain of electrons by a molecule or an atom or an ion. The substance which loses electron gets oxidized, and the substance itself is called reducing agent. The substance which gains electrons get reduced, and this substance is known as oxidizing agent. Example, reaction between cupric oxide and magnesium. Cupric oxide CuO plus Mg give Cu copper plus MgO. So here what exactly is happening? Mg is getting oxidized because it is losing electron to the oxygen, while cupric oxide is reduced to copper because copper in cupric oxide is having valency positive 2, and when it changes into copper metal, then the valency of this is 0. So cupric oxide is reduced to copper and magnesium is oxidized to MgO. Explanation is here. Cu2 plus accepting 2 electrons give Cu. So this is gain of electron, and gain of electron is known as reduction. Mg, which is neutral, loses 2 electrons and changes into Mg2 plus. So here there is a loss of electron by magnesium, so this is the oxidation process. Magnesium is reducing copper ion by giving them electrons to neutralize the charge. Hence magnesium is the reducing agent, because we know the substance or atom or an ion which loses electron is oxidized, and it itself is known as reducing agent. The copper ion, on removing electron from the magnesium to create magnesium ion, so copper ion are acting as oxidizing agent. The reaction which proceeds with oxidation as well as reduction are called redox reaction. Effects of oxidation reduction in everyday's life. Corrosion. The chemical process of slow eating up of the surfaces of metals when kept in open for a long period of time is called corrosion. Rusting. Corrosion of iron is called rusting. Rust is the brownish substance that form on iron's object left exposed to the atmosphere for too long period of time. Rusting is an oxidation process. The general formula of rust is Fe2O3xH2O, means hydrated ferric oxide has variable number of water molecules as water of crystallization. Methods to prevent corrosion: painting, plastic coating, oiling and greasing, chromium plating, galvanization. This is the process of coating iron object with zinc to protect iron from rusting. Alloying, mixing of 2 or more metals to produce alloys which can resist rusting. Rancidity is an oxidation process which results in rotting of food materials. Methods of preventing rancidity: by adding antioxidants. Antioxidant is a substance which prevents oxidation. Vacuum packing, replacing air by nitrogen. In some foodstuffs, the air present around them is replaced by nitrogen. In this way, the packed foodstuff is preserved. The plastic bags containing chips are flushed with nitrogen to prevent them from oxidation. Refrigeration of foodstuff, avoiding food material exposed to direct sunlight. Here I am providing you a list of cations and anions. I suggest you take the snapshot of it and practice writing names of different compounds. This can help you a lot. Feel free to ask questions through comments. We shall reply to all your queries.